there's a poem na paborito niya ito. Since nung maliit pa ako, lagi niyang sinasabi, Invictus, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of the shade. And yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. So, siya nga, basahin ko daw sa inyo. So, okay na, nakakomply na ako ha. By William Ernest Henley. So, kung sabi niya, kung tatanungin niyo daw siya, kung ano yung sagot niya sa nangyayari sa kanyang ngayon, yun daw yung sagot niya.